Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, we're gonna discover on how to split your wall into a few regions. So let's say you want to apply different texture onto the same wall, or you want to have two different color of paint to your wall, just like in this picture. So you need to divide or split your wall into two regions. So the first step is click on your wall. Okay, you click on your wall. And you will have the selection here. We have the scissor icon, okay, vertical split and horizontal split, where you can split your wall in horizontally or vertically. So let's say you want to split horizontally, click on the horizontal split and bring the scissor icon onto the area or the position that you want to split. Okay, once you click to your wall, you will have this line here, meaning that your wall is already splitted. Okay, right click to exit this split line mode and click on the line, and the line will turn into blue color, meaning that you can still adjust the parameters, or you can adjust the height and also the angle. So just simply highlight the number. Let's say 1500. And click enter, so you will see the position is changing, and also you can adjust the angle. Right now is 180. Okay, you can just highlight and change if you like. Okay, and let's say now you want to split vertically. Okay, just click on your wall. You need to exit the function first, click on your wall and then click on vertical split. Okay, click on the position that you want to split. Okay, so now your wall is already splitted vertically. Okay, and then you can go to your cloud library. Okay, go to finishing to apply the texture. Okay, just choose any texture that you like. Okay, so let's say you drag this stripe texture. Okay, and we'll have the different type of stripe here. Okay, and that is how it looks like. So let's say you want to delete your split line. Okay, just click on the line. Okay, click on the show split line. Okay, click on the line again, and you will see you will have the option for delete divider. Okay, just click on delete divider and it will turn to only to two region lah. You can also use the free division function, where you can draw or you can split your wall freely by using this function. Okay, and reading the message here, free split line mode, please select the area to be divided first. So you need to select the area first. So let's say you want to have the split onto this area, and determine the positioning point. So when you click on your area, so you will notice you will have this end point, the side lines, okay, and also another end point where you have to choose. Okay, so let's say you select from this midpoint. Okay, and you will notice you will have this blue line here, this horizontal blue line. Okay, and you can adjust the input by pressing tab on your keyboard. Okay, you click tab on your keyboard and you will notice it will change the input, where you can adjust the angle, okay, and also the dimension. Okay, and one click to your wall, okay, to set the line. Okay, so let's say you want to add another line here, so you need to select the point, okay, whether you want it to be on the sidelines or at the midpoint. Okay, so let's say choose at the midpoint. Okay, and you can adjust by pressing tab to your keyboard. Okay, you can adjust the parameters. Okay, and one click to your wall to set the line. Okay, and then you can proceed to put the paint or the texture. Okay, so it will have a different color lah. Okay, just simply drag and drop. Okay, so now it will look like this. Okay, so it's either you use some vertical split, horizontal split, or free split. Okay, so happy trying. Thanks for watching.